Assalamualaikum and very good morning to all the panel and the judges. My name is Amsyar Iqbal, a student from electronic course at FKEKK, and my project was to develop a IoT-based smart parking using RFID. Okay, this is my project overview. This project is about the use of RFID tag in parking space to record some data as times come in, come out, and the remaining cars inside the space, with addition of charges calculation for every car that enter the parking space. The system will upload all the data collected into the cloud, which is the Google Sheet, to be viewed at any time and can be used in case of emergency situation. Okay, this is a problem statement. As we know, most of the parking lots still use the parking ticket to park in the most parking lots. The parking ticket need the driver to pick the ticket at the entrance and then return the ticket at the ticket machine when the driver comes out. The parking tickets way are not very efficient anymore, as we can now monitoring on how many come in and out and the remaining car inside. So, by introducing the RFID tag, the parking lot will have a smoother system come in and come out, and also can collect some data on how many cars that come in and out from the parking lot. Moreover, all the cars that park there will be given a specific RFID tag with a specific ID tag. So not only the system can count in and count out, the system can also know who come in and come out from the parking space. For the objective for this project is, the first one is to develop IoT-based smart parking using RFID. The second one is to record car enter and out of the parking space, and the third one is to calculate or identify the remaining car inside the parking space in case of emergency occur. Okay, as you can see, for the first picture, this is the project PCB layout for this project, and we remove you can see I use the not MCU for this project, a single buzzer and a RFID reader for this project. And then you can see the picture next to it, it shows the final product. It is the RFID scanner, and the picture on top of it is the card or the RFID tag. Okay, and lastly, this is the overview from the online platform that I have used. As you can see, I use the Google Sheet as a platform for my project, so that all the data that been received by the RFID reader will be transferred here. So the short explanation about the Google Sheet. At the top left, there are the table to show how many cars that remaining in the parking space. So you can see the remaining car inside. Next to it, we have the charges table, that the charges was set to RM2 per 20 minutes, and the bottom was all the data tables that will receive all the data like the card ID, number plate, date and time. And next, I will show you the demonstration for the project. So now I'm going to show on how my project works. Okay, as you can see, I have two readers in front of me. Okay, firstly, I'm going to tag the RFID tag and scan it in the RFID reader, and the data should come in. Okay, as you can see, it will appear in the Google Sheet. So the second tag and the second data should come in. Okay, and also the number of the remaining car will be increased. As you can see now, there are 2 cars inside the parking space, and the third card has been scanned, and then the number will be increased, and there will be 3 cars inside the parking space. And then the last card, there should be a 4 car in the remaining
4 car in the parking space right now. So for the scan out, just type the tag again, and the number of remaining cars should be decreased by 1. And yes, and also you can see in the charges table, the charges will be free for the tag, because the limit for the parking space was set 20 minutes, was set 2 ringgit for 20 minutes.